Oh, hi. Didn't expect to see you here. I'm Vicki. I'm the founder of YarnYAY, and I am here to show you what is in our latest YarnYAY box. Here we go. This month's featured yarn is from Chicken Coop Dye Works. It's a silk merino blend in the shade Prom Dress, which is coincidentally the same shade of pink as my dress was. Hanging out outside this summer? Why not dress up your patio table? This month we're making center out mats, the knit version by Julia Medill, and the crochet version is by me, and it's edged with adorable pom-pom fringe. Yay it, don't spray it. Our cute little water bottle is perfect for blocking your knits. And lastly, but not leastly, we've teamed up again with our friends at Della Q to bring you a custom fuchsia O-Snap bag. Okay, great. You know what's inside, so why don't you nab one? Get your YarnYAY box at yarnyay.com.